All right, we got the easy to use, long lasting, completely cures in hours, shake well, use on clean or wet, dry painted surfaces, microfiber towels, allow 8 hours for complete cure time, use one every 2 months. Environmentally friendly, for those of you who are concerned. UV resistant, SiO2 hybrid stuff, super glossy appearance, which is not a lie. Instant results, which is very true, and is compatible with their speed wax if you use that. Overspray will not harm rubber and plastic trim. I've already tested that. That is true. Safe on glass, I know for sure. Chrome, yes. Ceramic coated surfaces, maybe, because I technically don't have ceramic. And matte finishes, not sure, but pretty sure it works on all of this. So if you need to pause the video to see, good to go. All right, let's get into it. All right, we'll grab the towel and dry it off, or buff it off, level it out, whatever you want to call it. Product smells okay. It does have a chemical scent to it. So I got my garage door open. There you have it. I've already done the rest of the car. I got some smudges there. Comes on easy, goes on easy, comes off very easy. The car body is a little hot in temperature. It's over 80 degrees right now, Fahrenheit. And it still comes off rather easy, no streaking or anything like that. Anyways, if you're up for it and you like to shine, go give this a try. You won't be disappointed. And as I was buffing it off, you can definitely feel the slickness on the paint. So yeah, I enjoy doing this. So it's every 2 to 3 months, not a problem for me. We'll test it out later and see how it does for dust collection and so on. Thanks for watching.